What up, y'all? Alright. Fuck, I don't even know where to get started with this one. I'm at my friend's shop right now, and we're about to work on his car. So he hit me up. He said he has a supercharger kit that he wants to install. This is ISF. It's a 08.
Yeah.
It's a 08 ISF. So right now you're running just the nitrous, huh?
Yeah, just a 100 shot.
Just a 100 shot. So this is gonna be a sick ass video. I'm trying to do like a little journey of him taking it to pretty much he's gonna try to hit a world record with it. The fastest ISF right now is what?
It's like 10.8 or something.
10.98, right?
Yeah, something like that.
So he's trying to go for faster than that. He's just trying to hit the world record on it. Sick, man. Let's check out his car. I think you guys have seen it from the previous videos, but it's pretty nice. It's gonna look nice down the track for sure.
Yeah, my nitrous setup's in the bag.
Oh yeah, let's take a look at that. Can't believe you never give me a ride in there with the nitrous one thing.
I know, and the street sucked though, dude. I couldn't hook for shit. But I have all the partnership where that's where the bottle goes.
That's tight. That's
So then I had my remote on my helmet. And then I had my remote bottle opener.
They go like by pounds and stuff?
Yeah, so this is a whole 10-pound bottle.
And
So
each push is what?
I like out of a 10-pound bottle running a 100 shot.
Yeah.
I was getting like 5 passes at the quarter mile.
Oh damn.
Yeah, so it doesn't last very long. But,
That's laughing gas too, right?
And then it's like $10 a pound. So it gets fucking expensive. They're raping out here.
Well,
It's cheaper in Cali, but
yeah. I'm gonna try to take it like to for the track. We were trying to go to the, what was it?
it was a never lift.
Never lift.
No lift sector, ship sector.
Yeah, but that's not a go no more, huh?
I don't think so. They already sold out for Saturdays.
I think
And
so. That
it's pretty far,
quick.
so if I was gonna drive all the way over there, I might as well do both days. But
I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what track we go to. Somewhere in Sacramento though, because the ones out here in Reno. This is the Fallon one, right?
yeah, the elevation is like
Elevation
5,000
sucks.
feet or something.
You lose like a whole second or something.
Something
Something
stupid.
crazy, yeah. So we'll see. We'll see. It's about to get started right now and start moving everything. What do you think about this, Caesar?
Fuck nigga.
Yeah, this is PG-13.
Oh, PG-13. All right.
Remember, you gotta be nice.
Yeah,
with
tame it
it.
down at least now.
What do you think about this fucking Caesar? It's crazy, huh?
Yeah, I think it's awesome.
The only supercharger kit that is sell for this car too. Right?
Yeah, it's the only one.
It's the only one. Where'd you get it at? Sacramento too, right?
The kit?
Or Southern Cali? Yeah.
No, the kit I got it online.
Well,
It's
what
from
are
like Pennsylvania.
some other state.
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. That's crazy. Only one kit for this whole car.
Yeah.
And a lot of people just run nitrous on it, like daily, no? Because I guess they can take the abuse, right?
Pretty good.
And you had it at what, 50?
At 100, I started out with 50 shot, but then that didn't last too long
Why?
because it got boring, so I got 100 shot. So like the second pull of a 50 shot, I was like, yeah, it needs 100, so then I did 100. Because you can't ever go lower, you know? You just gotta go more. So.
Here at Acuna Total Car Care. More. Man, that's crazy. Let's see what this thing does.
Got a cut right here somewhere.
So we got a cut there
For the intercooler
for
piping.
the intercooler piping.
So we gotta figure out how we gotta cut that.
That's crazy how it all fits right there. Like this thing looks so compact already as it is.
You start cutting.
You start making
When
some
you start
room.
cutting, it opens up a lot of possibilities.
Yeah. Like seriously, if you were to go to sell this car, what is the explanation you're gonna give for?
Oh yeah.
Like this is no joke. This
I don't
is
think I'll sell it.
nah. It's gonna be a world record card right here. And if you sell it with a supercharger.
Yeah. There's no point in pulling it out.
Hell no. What about smog? Is it gonna be street legal?
Yeah.
There you have it.
Once you get caught, when it becomes illegal.
Everything is legal until you get caught. Then it becomes illegal if you're doing something
You
illegal.
gotta explain it really well.
Yeah, or have a good lawyer. Explains it for you.
Okay, so.
You're at the point of no return right here. Actually, get to go back.
Far so good.
How's it looking?
Pretty good.
Oh, that's pretty good.
This one is gonna be kind of hard because it's got angle to it.
Oh yeah.
And there's this piece,
There's that.
along with all the other useless shit.
Weight reduction?
Yeah.
So are you gonna add weight to it or take away weight?
Oh no, that's quite a few.
Really?
Yeah. The supercharged, the intercooler, all that. Because all the pieces that I took off are mostly plastic, like the airbox and stuff like that. But yeah, I think at the end of the day, you're still adding weight. Pretty sure.
Oh hell yeah.
Probably like 80 pounds or so probably. And then I'm gonna have the surge tank in the back, so the big fuel pump and all that. Yeah, so no, it adds weight for sure, but I don't know how much.
As long as it breaks world records. Alright, so there you have it, man. It's gonna be a crazy journey. If you guys want to stay tuned, want to keep watching, we're gonna try to take this out to the track and see what this thing can do. Right here with Martin at Kuna Total Car Care. We're gonna try to make it all, piece it together and see how it goes. A lot of trial and error probably, but we'll see. We'll try to get it done as best as possible.